A New York judge partially lifted a gag order on former U.S. President Donald Trump.
This, of course, following the Republican presidential candidate's conviction on criminal charges that stemmed from a $130,000 hush money payment his attorney, Michael Cohen, made to adult star Stormy Daniels in the days before the 2016 election.
Well, the revised order now allows Trump to speak publicly about witnesses in the case and eases a prohibition on his commenting about the jury. However, the order keeps in place restrictions on his statements about individual prosecutors and others involved in the case. And this until his sentencing, which is set for July 7th.
In his decision lifting parts of the gag order, Judge WION wrote the circumstances have now changed. Following Trump's conviction last month on 34 counts of falsifying business records, he said, and I'm quoting here, the trial portion of these proceedings ended when the verdict was rendered and the jury discharged.
Meanwhile, Trump's spokesperson, Stephen Cheong, said in a statement that the order leaves in place portions of the unconstitutional gag order. The spokesperson said that Trump plans to appeal the ruling.
And for more on this, our correspondent Susan Tehrani has sent us this report from New York. Listen to this.
Judge Juan Merchan, the Manhattan judge in Donald Trump's hush money case, has modified that gag order against him, allowing the former president to comment about witnesses and jurors in his criminal trial. But the gag order is still in place for discussing staffers, prosecutors, and their families as well until his sentencing on July 11th. The ruling comes just days before the former president is scheduled to debate current President Joe Biden. It will give him the opportunity to criticize witnesses like Michael Cohen as well as Stormy Daniels. However, Trump's lawyers have said that the remaining restrictions are unconstitutional. They plan to challenge this order. And while many believe that the gag order is a clear election interference by barring a presidential candidate from speaking freely, others believe that this decision balances free speech concerns with the need to protect court personnel from harassment. Susan Tehrani reporting from New York for WION World as well.